SoftBank Pepper. SoftBank's Pepper is a revolutionary robot designed to interact with people, creating unique and engaging experiences. As a friendly and approachable companion, Pepper is built to connect, assist, and share knowledge with users, enhancing both personal and business interactions. Its human-like demeanor fosters real relationships, making it a valuable asset in customer-facing roles. Pepper's versatility allows it to blend seamlessly into various environments, from retail to hospitality, providing assistance and improving overall customer experience. It is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that anyone can operate and interact with it effortlessly. Moreover, Pepper is equipped to understand and promote your brand, tailoring its interactions to reflect your business's values and messaging. Pepper's ability to play well with others, combined with its intuitive design and brand knowledge, makes it a powerful tool for businesses looking to enhance customer engagement and streamline operations. With Pepper, SoftBank has created a robot that is not just a machine, but a personable and knowledgeable team member. NASA Robonaut. Robonaut is a dexterous humanoid robot developed at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas. Designed to assist humans in space exploration, Robonaut represents a significant advancement in robotic technology. Its primary goal is to work alongside astronauts, enhancing their capabilities and performing tasks that may be too dangerous or repetitive for human crew members. Equipped with human-like dexterity, Robonaut can operate tools and perform intricate tasks, making it an invaluable asset in the maintenance and operation of spacecraft and space stations. It is capable of venturing into high-risk areas, mitigating the dangers faced by human astronauts. Robonaut's development addresses the challenges of space exploration, where safety and efficiency are paramount. By sharing the workload, Robonaut enables astronauts to focus on more complex and critical missions. This collaboration not only enhances productivity, but also extends the reach of human presence in space. In essence, NASA's Robonaut is a pioneering machine that bridges the gap between human ingenuity and robotic precision, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in space exploration. Anki Vector. Anki Vector is an adorable robot that blends autonomous toy features with the functionalities of a voice assistant. Powered by AI and advanced robotics, Vector is brimming with personality, responding to sight, sound, and touch. This tiny companion is more than just a cute gadget. It's an interactive device that can engage with users in meaningful ways. Voice-activated, Vector can answer questions, take photos, set timers, show weather updates, and more. It even comes with Alexa built-in, enhancing its utility as a smart home assistant. Vector's capabilities are continuously evolving thanks to its cloud connectivity via Wi-Fi, allowing it to learn and update with new skills and features regularly. Additionally, Vector boasts an increased battery life, providing up to 30% more runtime with its new battery. This means more time for interaction and fun without frequent recharging. Anki Vector is not just a robot, but a lively and intelligent companion that keeps getting smarter, making everyday tasks more enjoyable. Honda ASIMO. Honda ASIMO is a pioneering humanoid robot designed to assist people, showcasing Honda's vision of integrating robots into daily human environments. Developed with advanced engineering, ASIMO replicates several human functions, making it capable of performing tasks that enhance everyday life. ASIMO's design focuses on achieving the physical capabilities necessary for operating in living environments. It can walk, run, climb stairs, and even perform complex maneuvers with remarkable agility. These abilities enable ASIMO to navigate spaces designed for humans, making it a practical assistant in various scenarios. Beyond its physical prowess, ASIMO is equipped with sophisticated sensors and artificial intelligence, allowing it to recognize faces, voices, and gestures. This enables it to interact naturally with people, responding to commands and engaging in meaningful communication. Honda's development of ASIMO represents a significant step toward realizing a future where robots can coexist with humans, providing assistance and improving quality of life. By replicating human functions, ASIMO embodies the potential of robotics to transform how we live and work, highlighting Honda's commitment to innovative solutions for society. UBTech Robot Walker S. UBTech's Walker S is a cutting-edge industrial humanoid robot standing at 1.7 meters, offering an unprecedented level of performance and stability. Its advanced design features force-compliant drive joints and a rigid, flexible coupling hybrid structure, enabling Walker S to walk stably on mobile production lines, enhancing operational efficiency. Walker S is equipped with 41 servo joints that include force feedback, allowing for precise and responsive movements. Its multiple visual, audio, and distance sensors, combined with innovative multimodal sensor fusion, enable dynamic exploration and interaction with the environment. This advanced perception system allows Walker S to reliably detect and respond to its surroundings, including humans and objects, ensuring safe and effective operation. The integration of these technologies makes Walker S a versatile and intelligent assistant in industrial settings. It can perform a variety of tasks with high accuracy and adaptability, representing a significant leap forward in humanoid robotics. Walker S exemplifies UBTech's commitment to advancing robotics technology to meet the complex demands of modern industry. KUKA RoboSpin. KUKA RoboSpin is an innovative application software designed to enhance the capabilities of the KUKA ServoGen software for spot welding on aluminum components. This add-on package introduces a rotational motion about the tool center point during the welding process, significantly improving weld quality. The primary advantage of KUKA RoboSpin is its ability to produce higher quality welds. The rotational motion ensures more uniform heat distribution and better penetration of the weld, which is crucial for aluminum components. This results in stronger, more reliable welds that meet stringent industry standards. KUKA RoboSpin is particularly beneficial in automotive and aerospace industries, where aluminum is extensively used and weld quality is critical. By integrating RoboSpin with existing KUKA ServoGen systems, manufacturers can achieve superior welding performance without the need for extensive hardware modifications. Overall, KUKA RoboSpin represents a significant advancement in welding technology, providing manufacturers with a powerful tool to enhance productivity and product quality, while maintaining the flexibility and precision that KUKA Robotics are known for. Fetch Robotics FlexShelf. Fetch Robotics FlexShelf is a state-of-the-art automated racking system designed specifically for warehouse and logistics applications. This innovative solution revolutionizes inventory management by streamlining storage and retrieval processes, significantly enhancing operational efficiency. FlexShelf features a modular design that can be easily integrated into existing warehouse infrastructures. Its advanced automation capabilities allow for real-time tracking and management of inventory, reducing the need for manual labor and minimizing human error. The system is equipped with sensors and AI-driven software that ensure precise and efficient handling of goods, from small parts to larger items. One of the standout features of FlexShelf is its adaptability. It can dynamically adjust to changing inventory levels and warehouse layouts, making it an ideal solution for businesses looking to scale operations or adapt to varying demands. By optimizing space utilization and improving workflow, FlexShelf helps companies reduce costs and increase productivity. In summary, Fetch Robotics FlexShelf is a cutting-edge racking system that transforms traditional warehouse operations, offering a smarter, more efficient approach to inventory management. Hanson Robotics Sophia. Hanson Robotics Sophia is the world's most advanced human-like robot, embodying the aspirations and potential of future AI. As an exceptional blend of science, engineering, and artistry, Sophia serves as both a futuristic science fiction character and a cutting-edge platform for advanced AI and robotics research. Sophia's design incorporates sophisticated AI algorithms, robotics, and expressive capabilities, allowing her to interact with humans in a remarkably lifelike manner. Her ability to recognize faces, process speech, and hold conversations makes her a powerful tool for exploring human-robot interactions. Sophia can engage in meaningful dialogue, display a wide range of facial expressions, and even convey emotions, making her interactions both fascinating and approachable. Beyond her role as a conversational agent, Sophia is a research platform enabling scientists to study AI development and human-robot relationships. Her unique combination of technology and artistry not only demonstrates the potential of AI, but also inspires discussions about the ethical and societal implications of advanced robotics. In essence, Sophia represents Hanson Robotics' vision of the future, where AI and humans coexist, collaborate, and innovate together. ANYmal X. ANYmal X is a cutting-edge robotic platform designed for immediate deployment in inspection and monitoring applications. Equipped with a standard pan-tilt inspection payload, ANYmal X provides significant value from day one, streamlining operations across various industries. One of its standout features is the zoom camera, boasting a 20x optical zoom capability that captures 4K high-definition images and videos from long distances. This allows for detailed visual inspections in hard-to-reach or hazardous areas, enhancing safety and efficiency. Additionally, ANYmal X is equipped with a thermal camera capable of precise temperature readings ranging from -10 degrees to +400 degrees Celsius. This functionality is crucial for monitoring equipment, detecting anomalies, and ensuring optimal operating conditions in industrial environments. Designed for versatility and ease of use, ANYmal X is ideal for tasks such as infrastructure inspection, asset management, and environmental monitoring. Its advanced sensory and imaging capabilities make it an invaluable tool for obtaining accurate data and insights. In summary, ANYmal X is a robust, ready-to-use platform that combines powerful imaging and thermal sensing technologies, delivering unparalleled performance and value in inspection and monitoring applications. Knightscope K7. The Knightscope K7 stands at the forefront of modern security technology as a versatile autonomous robot designed to patrol various terrains. Engineered to enhance security measures, the K7 operates efficiently across diverse environments, including indoor facilities, parking lots, and outdoor spaces. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, it monitors surroundings in real time, detecting anomalies and potential threats with precision. This robotic sentinel is not only a deterrent but also a proactive guardian, capable of navigating autonomously while maintaining constant vigilance. Its integration of artificial intelligence enables it to analyze data, identify patterns, and alert security personnel to suspicious activities promptly. The K7 robust design ensures reliability in all weather conditions, making it a dependable asset for both public and private sectors seeking enhanced security solutions. With its innovative technology and comprehensive surveillance capabilities, the Knightscope K7 redefines the standards of modern security operations, offering a proactive approach to safeguarding spaces and assets effectively. Omron Forpheus. Omron Forpheus embodies a visionary stride towards harmonizing humans and machines in a seamless blend of technology and interaction. Developed by Omron, a leader in automation technology, Forpheus represents the pinnacle of innovation in robotics and artificial intelligence. This ping-pong playing robot is not just a marvel of engineering, but a symbol of Omron's commitment to enhancing human-machine collaboration. Forpheus goes beyond mere functionality. It embodies Omron's belief in technology's role in enriching human lives. By using advanced sensors and AI, Forpheus adapts its gameplay to the skill level of its opponent, making every interaction a learning experience. Its ability to analyze and predict human movements in real time demonstrates the future potential of AI in enhancing recreational activities and beyond. Omron Forpheus stands as a beacon of the company's ethos, to create technology that not only serves practical purposes, but also fosters deeper connections between humans and machines, ushering in a future where harmony between the two is seamlessly achieved. Diligent Robotics Moxi. Diligent Robotics Moxi represents a significant leap forward in healthcare automation, designed to assist clinical staff in maximizing efficiency and focusing more on patient care. This friendly, autonomous robot specializes in streamlining routine tasks that consume valuable time for hospital personnel. From running patient supplies to delivering lab samples, fetching items from central supply areas, distributing PPE, and even delivering medications, Moxi handles these responsibilities with precision and reliability. By automating these repetitive but crucial tasks, Moxi allows healthcare professionals to redirect their efforts towards more complex and patient-centered duties. Equipped with advanced sensors and navigation capabilities, Moxi operates safely in busy hospital environments, ensuring seamless integration into daily operations without disrupting workflow. As healthcare facilities continue to embrace technological innovations, Moxi stands out as a versatile solution that not only enhances operational efficiency, but also contributes to a higher standard of patient care.